You want the food. As long as you love, Likkle Wizzies cool.
Hello, Ahudis.
Hello, is this the Likkle Wizzies residence?
Yes, what you want?
Am I speaking to Likkle Bredda right now?
I feel my phone, so no must me you talk to.
I am calling to inform you that you have won money from the lottery.
Jesus Christ, me win what?
Money from the lottery.
Watch out, which lotto? After me never buy no ticket.
This is the infinite credit card real read cash pot.
What a name long? Me sure so me never buy no ticket name so.
I would like to confirm that this is your address, okay? Is this 1 Buckseed Avenue?
Yeah man,
Around the corner there?
you look like you're deaf or something.
Yes.
No that me say?
And is your name Alavicious Likkle Bredda Wizzies?
Quiet, me don't want nobody know as my name.
Okay. You have won $100,000.
$100,000?
Yes.
So $100,000?
I forgot to mention your second winnings of $2 billion.
$2 billion? Jesus Christ, me rich! Hold on there. Me really win that money there and no buy no ticket?
No. Your name was picked from the general election.
By the way, me not too young to play the lotto.
As long as you're over 5 years old and you can count the 30 letters of the alphabet, you're good.
30? Me think I need 26 letters in the alphabet.
No man, me include the vowels. To claim your $2 billion, you will have to pay a small fee of $10,000.
What you say? Me have to go pay money?
A small fee of $10,000.
No man, that too much.
What you mean? That is too much money?
When me if you get $10,000 from?
I make you save 90%. Before it costed us $200,000.
Hold on, me win $2 billion?
That is correct.
So you can't take out the 10,000 out of the $2 billion?
Listen, sir, I cannot do that. My manager says I have to collect the $10,000 before I can give you the $2 billion.
But me not have no money. I will find money.
Listen, sir, I am not the manager, I am just the messenger and I do what him tell me to do.
Do you like how this sound? Sound like you're a scammer.
I can assure you I am not a scammer, sir. I am Henry Douglas and I work at the Unlimited Credit Rural Read Association.
Hold on there.
Okay?
You're sure?
This is the Unlimited Credit Card Rural Read Cash Pot.
Alright. I'm tired to hear about this really something. Me go find the money.
Okay? Excellent.
How about that? A rooster me here?
What you mean you hear a rooster in my yard?
Where they?
I'm working in a skyscraper in Tokyo.
Tokyo? I never used to say California.
Tokyo in California, yes.
California? Oh, them have one Tokyo in a California.
Now, I want you to go to Eastern Union and send me the $10,000.
Eastern Union? And I West Malone me live.
Where?
And nobody send me to Western Union. Cause it closed for weekend.
What? You say it's closed? Well, you're going to have to go to National.
National Bakery close to man.
What you say? That close to? Look like you're going to have to go to BNC Commercial.
You deaf? None of them no open. Listen man, just take the $10,000 out of the rest of money you have for me no man. And then send the rest come. You know what? Take all 100 out of it. And me no have no money, you know.
What you mean you don't have any money?
God no, me no have no money, you know.
So you don't have anybody you can borrow from or anybody who owe you? Listen man, you're going to give up the opportunity to get $2 billion and all you have to pay is $10,000? No man, you really do not appreciate what I'm doing for you. I get you 90% off.
Me a gonna lose all of that the money there.
And that communicating with you from long distance. It look like AT&T, Verizon, Digicel and Lime going to sell me a huge bill, you know.
Hold on there. You know, so me know somebody who own exactly $10,000.
So you say you have somebody to borrow the money from?
You can hold on, Abby.
We say him owe you?
Hold on there. Soon come back.
You're going to collect the money from them right now?
Give me 5 minutes. You hear?
Okay. What you say? You want me to stay on the line?
And don't come off my phone.
Yes, man. I will stay on the line until you get the money.
Give me 5 minutes. Please, hold on. You hear?
Yes, man. Take as much time as you want. I am staying on the line.
Make sure you know.
But make sure you come back with the money. And whoever you're borrowing the money from, tell them say you're not taking no for an answer. Even if you mean you have to beat the hell out of them. Remember now, you know, I'm right here so waiting, so not take too long.
Brother! Want $20,000 you owe me? No! Me not have it. No leave until me get it. I'm not taking off your hands.
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Likkle Wizzies.